Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan. Let's see how Apple is doing right now today. We are dropping minus 5%. That's quite a lot. That's a real catastrophe on Apple. Let's see how it is doing. But first, remember my friends, click on the like button to support this channel. If you're new around here, consider subscribing because I am here every single day to update you guys on many other stocks. Not only Apple, but Tesla, AMD, NVIDIA, NIO. So seriously, consider subscribing at this channel. Of course, I will not be able to update you guys tomorrow and this Friday because I will be out of town. And do you want to make money using a consistent strategy? Subscribe the Finance Hydra trading newsletter to get our weekly recommendations. Our trading methodology has a great performance which is public. You may just check our website, the link is in the description of this video. Few traders can actually beat the market consistently. Be one of us, join the Finance Hydra trading newsletter. Now, back to Apple. Apple, it is dropping sharply. It is losing the support level around $150. We are doing lower highs, lower lows. We frustrated this bullish reversal chart pattern last week, and right now we are in a crystal clear bear trend. The 21 EMA is working as a resistance for Apple's price, so yeah, there is nothing indicating that that Apple will react today or in the next few days, okay? Because we don't see any bullish structure right now at this moment. And what's more, Apple will not react as long as we see the market doing what it is doing right now. The Nasdaq Composite is dropping, it is losing support levels. It is in a crystal clear bear trend. This is a bear market for the Nasdaq. We are dropping nearly 30% since November's peak. So yeah, we are in a crystal clear bear market. And statistically speaking, this is funny because this bear market should end around October only. I do believe we're gonna see some bounce back up. Alright, I do believe we're gonna recover because we're not gonna keep dropping like this, okay? This is impossible. This never happened before. It's not gonna happen right now. We're gonna see the Nasdaq bouncing back up, but unfortunately, we don't see the beginning of a reversal in the short term yet. The S&P is doing the same pattern right now. We are losing this head and shoulders chart pattern, indicating that yes, we might start a bear market as well. In this case, we could easily retest the 3K by October. Let me see, it's quite near to this support level, right? This black line over here. We could easily retest this point again, especially considering this is a head and shoulders. This is a real plausible scenario. But again, I don't believe we're gonna keep dropping like this from here. The S&P rarely drops more than 6 weeks in a row. The Nasdaq only dropped more than 6 weeks in a row only once in the past 22 years. So yeah, I do believe we're gonna see a reaction very soon. But right now, unfortunately, we don't see any meaningful confirmation, unfortunately, right? And regarding Apple, just like the indices, we don't see any bullish confirmation. We see quite strong bearish bar over here, losing the previous support level. So what's the next support level for Apple? Well, $146, which is right here, right now, today. Wow, we essentially hit this support level at this green line right now. So, okay, what if we lose this support level? Then the next support level is $138. Okay, this is gonna be our next stop. If you're gonna hit 138 from here, I don't believe so. I think this is very unlikely. I think Apple will bounce back up again, at least to its 21 EMA, okay? And then maybe if we see bearish reaction, okay, now Apple will drop. Now Apple will just resume the bearish bias over here. And yes, we are going to retest 138 soon. Okay, and keep in mind, 138 is October's low. So yes, this is a very plausible scenario for Apple. In fact, I would work with this scenario. I think you're gonna see a bounce back up before we could drop more again. I'm not working with a bullish scenario on Apple right now because it is a crystal clear bear market. We don't see any crystal clear bullish structure right now. Of course, in the long term, long-term speaking, we are still in a bull trend, but since we lost this purple trend line, the bullish bias got very, very weak. So I can't work with a very nice bullish thesis right now on Apple, unfortunately. But if we see reversal, okay, that's very likely. So the EMA would be our target, but this is it. This is as far as I can go on Apple right now. And we see many other weird signals. US government bonds, 10-year yield, they are dropping sharply this week. I think we're going to retest the EMA. This might favor a bullish thesis on it in the very short term, but again, it's not going to favor in the midterm. The fear index VIX is trading above $30 right now. So yeah, the situation is a little bit stressful. It is very, very volatile. And it's not only for Apple. Many other stocks are not reacting at all. Look at Amazon. Amazon is a real catastrophe, right? I mean, it is back to February 2020 levels before the amazing bullish run. So yeah, I think the situation is very, very catastrophic. NVIDIA is a great company. I invest in NVIDIA. I bought NVIDIA a very long time ago, before the split. I think it was around the 90s. It is still looking quite good, but this drop was very intense. I agree with you guys, was very, very intense. Google is in a very stressful situation right now, losing support levels. It already triggered this head and shoulders chart pattern. To me, it must react and retest the EMA as a resistance level again. Microsoft is also triggering its head and shoulders chart pattern. So yeah, the situation on Apple is not looking that good. I mean, it is looking good comparing to other companies, but it is a little bit catastrophic indeed. So what to expect from here? Again, to sum up, I expect to see Apple bouncing back up to the EMA. If we see any bearish reaction around this resistance, it's a reason to short, to sell, etc. I am not working with a bullish thesis on Apple, okay? I am simply not. If we do see a bullish structure, I will warn you guys. And if this actually happens, the target is pretty clear. It's gonna fill this gap at nearly $174. Okay, that's going to be our next target, but as long as we don't see any bullish structure, at least a higher high, higher low in the 1 hour chart, we cannot work with this target. So far, let's just assume it is seeking support levels. It is going to seek other support levels. Our main target is 138, but I do expect we're gonna bounce back up in the short term, okay? I think this is an exhaustion bar. And we just hit a support level doing a very big candlestick pattern. So yeah, it looks like an exhaustion bar to me. I think we're gonna bounce back up in the short term. Maybe up until Wednesday, next Thursday, I think we're gonna see bullish movement. So I will keep you guys updated. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay safe. Farewell.